He kicks the ball and it attracts thunderous roars from the fans here at the Crossbow Stadium. And with a smile on his face, he walks away. Razak Brahma getting himself ready. This stadium has seen so many wonderful memories, not just of Apia in a national jersey, but as I was mentioning for Accra Hearts of Oak, scored a wonderful goal against Homewood many years back, dribbling 4 players, and also scored twice. As Hearts of Oak to be 3-0 with Asante Kotoko in this very stadium. Had his first international cap against Benin in the stadium. Ghana won 2-0. And so, President John Mahama would move back in and he's now shaking hands with the other members of the Ghana Football Association and of course other substitute players. And when all the pleasantries are over, we'll get to see some silky football. Not much at stake, not much of a very competitive game, but lots of entertainment, that's for sure. Quite a good crowd here at the Crossbow Stadium. Well attended. Part might not be filled, but it's a very good attendance. I have